All right, 3bMakers here. We're excited to show a update to our 20 and 21 Tacoma TRD Off-Road and Sport adaptive bezels for the standard TRD Pro lights here. Just like the previous edition, these clip in the same way, just have additional tolerances to allow for a variety of tolerance differences for the lights, as well as tolerance differences in the Toyota factory grills that come with the with these particular Tacomas. So just like previous, the lights go in. What we have here is the textured side here, and just like prior, they clip in like so, and you'll hear a nice audible click. On the back of each of the adaptive inserts, we have labels. For example, this one is the O and R, stands for outside right. And so what you do with these is you take this edge, that is that beveled edge, and you attach it to the inside opening of the outer right, just like so. Once it sits flush in there, we've integrated this tab and a little lip here for your thumb. You hold with one side and you push in. Once you push in, you'll feel it click and fully seat in. And again, we've taken this grill off for demonstration purposes and to be able to show a clear shot of the installation. You don't need to remove them. You can install these just from the front of the vehicle. But just know this lip is the starting point, and then you just rock it in with some upwards pressure while this clip is aligned, and you push down on the top of this clip until you hear it click and seat in. Then you end up with a nice, very positive, solid, wedged installation. Very tight, specific to the tolerance variations of this opening. What you end up with on a finished product is a very clean, sunk-in look of the lights as well as the bezels. And when they're lit, they illuminate the openings with a nice glow, so which is one of the features that we wanted to make sure we kept in our revision, which has been valued by our customers. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We'll do our best to help you out. We hope you find these revisions helpful, and we hope to see pictures of your completed projects. All right, thanks so much.